Have you ever wondered how the journey of mineral water truly begins?
Today, we take you inside a breathtaking production world where every drop of mineral water comes to life. But what hidden steps shape its earliest transformation?
And what complex process turns this natural purity into something extraordinary? This began the complete journey, from the first drop to the final bottled water.
Here, high above the valley, our water begins its journey.
Precision engineering and dedicated professionals, we ensure the absolute purity of this natural spring, utilizing advanced extraction methods.
Multi-stage purification process ensures perfect freshness before the water is gently poured into sterile stainless steel containers.
Ensuring optimal clarity and pH balance is the first step. Once sealed, these tanks are ready for transport.
As the sun sets, these vital resources make their way down the mountain, destined for the industrial heartland.
Our state-of-the-art facility ensures that every drop of mineral water is handled with automated precision.
Our state-of-the-art facility processes thousands of water samples daily, ensuring safety and compliance for the entire region.
Using state-of-the-art technology, the water is carefully moved through these pipes and tanks, ensuring peak quality before the bottling process begins. The water is imbued with essential minerals, leaving behind only the purest hydration, energized and clean.
Every great product starts with pure, tested materials.
Through advanced hydrodynamic purification, we achieve unparalleled clarity, ensuring every drop is perfectly balanced.
Phase 2 purification is stable. The optical density metrics confirm a successful run.
Maintaining optimal flow rates is critical in this environment. Our new system handles extreme pressure with unparalleled clarity.
This pristine mineral water, sourced from ancient springs, is now ready to be bottled for your enjoyment.
According to the topic.
And that's how mineral water is made, crafted with purity and passion. Subscribe for more cinematic factory journeys. Ultra Phase.